In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll start right at the source. Head to the Squarespace Create Your Website page. This is the main entry point for building and managing your site, and it keeps the navigation simple so you can quickly move from inspiration to action. Once the page loads, look toward the top navigation where your account options live. From there, click on Account Dashboard. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before the dashboard appears. The dashboard lives at account.squarespace.com and serves as your mission control, showing all the sites and tools connected to your account in one place. It's the best spot to jump directly into editing or managing a specific website. Inside the dashboard, click on Website. This tab filters your view to just your websites, so you're not sifting through unrelated items like scheduling or email campaigns. It's a quick way to focus on the site you're about to work on. Next, select the highlighted site card. You'll see your sites listed. Click the one that's highlighted or the one you intend to edit. This opens that site's configuration area, where you can access content, design settings, and editing tools. In the site's configuration panel, click on Website in the left-hand navigation. This takes you into the primary area where pages and content are organized. Think of it as the hub for everything your visitors will see. Now click on Edit. This launches the visual editor, where you can work directly on your pages. You'll notice editable regions on the page. These are where you can add, remove, or rearrange content. Inside the editor, click on Add Block. Blocks are the building units of a Squarespace page: text, images, galleries, buttons, and more. Adding a block lets you place new content exactly where you want it. Use the block search field and start typing to narrow down your choices. As you type, relevant blocks will be highlighted and filtered, which saves time if you already know what you're looking for. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list to confirm it's available within your template. Finally, click on Code. The code block is perfect for pasting custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, as well as third-party embed snippets. It's a powerful way to extend your site beyond built-in blocks. When working with custom code, preview your changes and keep snippets focused and well-documented so you can maintain them easily later. That's the full path from the Squarespace homepage to opening a code block through your account dashboard and website editor. Follow along at your own pace, pause where needed, and you'll be ready to customize your site with confidence.